Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, this is the rice cooker. Customer has given me, see, let's see what is the problem. If we turn it on, its problem is it's cooked. When they put always it's keeping on cook only, it's not moving to the warm. See, its light is on cook and always become cooking, and it's not moved to the warm. So let's see, I've removed the back cover for saving the time. So let's see actually, so there is power, so no need to check fuse or heater, no need to check. It's this is the fuse is okay, no need to check. If I press the switch, see it's not connecting properly, it's contactless. This problem is this switch has been contactless, so I show you how to fix it very easy way. We have to little bit turn it up. So then by sandpaper we have to clean inside by sandpaper. See, now contacting properly. Then also difference, if you have sandpaper inside by sandpaper, you clean it, then it will contact properly. So after I have cleaned and adjust the switch, now it's moving. See, now it has been okay. So it is very simple and a small problem only. For this reason customer has sent to repair here. So alhamdulillah, it has been okay.